Hello everyone and welcome back to Mooching Monkey. Today we're visiting WWT Washington Wetland Centre, located near Sunderland in the northeast of England. This is one of my favourite places to visit when I want a relaxing walk surrounded by nature, wildlife and beautiful scenery. It's a warm summer's day, so let's take a look around and see what the reserve has to offer. As soon as you arrive, one of the things you'll notice is how peaceful the site feels. Although it's located close to busy roads and urban areas, once you're inside the reserve, it feels like you've stepped into a completely different world. The centre is managed by Waterfowl and Wetlands Trust, often simply known as WWT. Their work focuses on protecting wetlands and wildlife that depends upon them, while also helping people connect with nature. Summer is a wonderful time to visit because the reserve is full of life. The trees are covered in leaves, the wildflowers are blooming, and there's wildlife activity almost everywhere you look. As you start the walk, you will follow one of the main pathways through the reserves. The paths are generally flat and well maintained, making them suitable for most visitors. There are plenty of places to stop and enjoy the views, and the layout makes it easy to explore at your own pace. One of the things I particularly enjoy about Washington Wetland Centre is the variety of habitats in a relatively compact area. During a single visit you can experience lakes, ponds, reed beds, woodland and grazing marshes. These different habitats create an impressive range of wildlife throughout the year. As we continue walking, we come across some of the collection birds. WWT centres are known for their waterfowl collections, and Washington is home to some species from around the world. You'll often see colourful geese and swans enjoying the ponds and lakes, but many visitors focus on the larger species. It's worth taking time to appreciate the smaller ducks as well, which display some incredible colours and patterns. The collection areas are beautifully landscaped and offer excellent opportunities. There are also numerous hides. These hides are one of the highlights of any visit. They allow visitors to quietly observe wildlife without causing disturbance. Summer bird watching can be very rewarding here. Depending on the day, you might spot herons standing motionless on the water's edge, swallows darting overhead, or various ducks raising their young. One of the joys of visiting this summer is seeing families of birds. Ducklings, goslings and cygnets can often be seen exploring the waterways under the watchful eyes of their parents. Watching these young birds grow throughout the season is always fascinating. As you continue the walk, the sounds of summer surround us. Birds are calling from the trees, insects are buzzing among the wildflowers, and the occasional splash of water reminds us that wildlife is active even when it's hidden from view. The reserve encourages visitors to slow down and pay attention to those small moments. It's one of the reasons I enjoy returning here throughout the year. Every visit feels slightly different depending upon the season, the weather and wildlife activity. Summer also brings plenty of colour to the reserve. Wildflowers attract bees, butterflies and other pollinators. The bright flowers create beautiful contrast against the greens and the reeds in the woodland. For photographers, there are opportunities everywhere you look. Another area that many visitors enjoy is a flamingo enclosure. Flamingos always seem to attract attention, and it's easy to see why. Their bright pink plumage stands out dramatically against the surrounding greenery. Whether you're feeding, preening or simply there standing on one leg, they're always entertaining to watch. One thing that makes Washington Wetland Centre particularly suitable for families is the balance between wildlife conservation and visitor activities. There are picnic areas, play opportunities for children and plenty of open spaces where families can relax and enjoy the surroundings. At the same time, the reserve never loses its focus on wildlife or conservation. As we look further around the reserve, we come across some of the viewpoints overlooking the wetlands. The scenery here is beautiful during the summer, reeds gently sway in the breeze, while sunlight reflects across the water. It's quite easy to spend a bit of time here, simply just enjoying the view. For me, that's one of the biggest strengths of this site. It doesn't feel rushed. You don't need to follow a strict zone or try to see everything as quickly as possible. Instead, you can slow down, enjoy the atmosphere, and let nature reveal itself. Many visitors come specifically for bird watching, but even if you're not a keen birder, there's plenty to appreciate. The landscapes themselves are attractive, and there's always something interesting happening somewhere in the reserve. You can also see larger areas of wetlands. Wetlands are among some of the most important habitats on Earth. They provide homes for countless species, help improve water quality, and play an important role in supporting biodiversity. Places like Washington Wetland Centre help demonstrate why these habitats matter and why they deserve protection. The combination of wildlife, attractive scenery and peaceful surroundings makes this one of the North East's best nature attractions. Whether you're interested in photography, bird watching, conservation, or simply enjoying a pleasant walk outdoors, there's something for everyone here. Overall, I think WWT Washington Wetland Centre is an excellent destination for a summer day out. The reserve is well maintained, easy to explore, and packed with opportunities to encounter wildlife. The hides provide excellent viewing opportunities. The collection birds add extra interest, and the beautiful wetland habitats create a relaxing atmosphere throughout the site. For me, this is a place that rewards repeat visits, as there's always something new to see. If you're visiting the North East or looking for somewhere peaceful to spend a few hours surrounded by nature, I would definitely recommend giving it a visit. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this walk, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and joining me again for more wildlife, nature and travel adventures. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.